Hi, I'm Teddy. I'm one of the plumbers with Abacus. I'm going to be showing you a way of how to turn your water off to your water heater in case of an emergency. A couple ways you'll know if your water heater is having issues or a leak present is you either won't have hot water in the house, or it will be lukewarm, or it won't be the full capacity of what it should be. You'll also see water in the pan if there is a leak. You may see rust marks on the side, like if water was running at some point or another. And a good way to isolate that is the cold intake valve on the water heater itself. You're going to isolate that. Most of the time it's a quarter turn valve. If not, it's a gate valve. You turn it a couple times and the water turns off. This is how you isolate your water heater in case of a leak. And if you do have a leak, call Abacus.